On this episode of Chaotic House, I make some mittens while my mom tries to coerce me into spilling some tea about my sisters, tries to get me to buy a house, and tries to get me to have babies. In that order.
Talk about him a lot. But she told me, she asked me, will I agree? Trying to set her up.
No.
What happened? Is there something that I don't know?
No. I don't know.
Should just leave herself alone.
Yeah.
Oh, that was my sweater that I knew of. I know this sweater. How do you shrink it?
I washed it with hot water
When?
a couple months ago. I tried to stretch it back out, but it didn't work.
You can stretch back.
I tried.
How are you gonna make it, like this way?
Yeah.
You just look like finger, but it's too wide.
A little
Do it this way.
Alright, so I just printed this pattern. It's from Pearl Soho. And I'm gonna cut them out. And then, excuse me. I'm gonna cut them out and then I'm going to cut out the pieces out of the sweater. Luckily, this pattern is pretty forgiving and leaves a lot of room to make mistakes or to have seam allowances because I was definitely letting it move around while I was cutting. For the best results, I would suggest pinning the pattern down and then cutting it out, but I didn't bring any pins with me to my parents' house when I came over to make this project. I followed the directions on the pattern and arranged all the right sides to meet each other and kiss so that I could sew all the wrong sides. Now with the mitten in its inside out form, I sewed a seam all along the edges using a running stitch to create the mitten shape. At some point, I'll get my mom to teach me how to use her sewing machine so that I don't have to sew everything by hand anymore.
Even though you got fixer upper, you got it cheap or somebody can fix it up, the resale value is not jumping up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's why you have to consider how much you can get it back.
Yeah. Yes.
close to St. Joseph's Hospital.
Oh, there you go. You can have a baby there.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. What I hope you take away from this video is that if I can make these mittens, then you can make these mittens. And I hope you shrink yourself some felted wool and go for it.